Hi friends! In this video I just want to show you how using a popular resistance band can significantly improve your practice. Place the band slightly lower your knees and focus on engaging those leg muscles to make steps longer, concentrating throughout each moment of every step. That is the key. Don't forget about your center. Engage the core and stretch both ways, pressing those legs into the floor to stay grounded while pressing your shoulder blades down and chest up. Try not to look down. It will help you not to lose your posture and balance. Concentrate on one step at a time. As soon as you will start feeling more in control and comfortable, graduate to other steps, but be mindful, present. As you can see in this impromptu, I use leg extension, side bend, arm stretching, basic forward and back walks, spirals, delay, check forward walk, cucarachas, and sliding door. You are more than welcome to use the same piece, but try to find your inner self. Think outside of the box, explore, be creative, search and employ anything that helps you to feel and stay connected with your body. That is actually what makes fun practicing on your own. If this video was helpful, please let me know by liking it and sharing. Have questions or suggestions? Leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer. Happy practice time!